In this video, I will share how I build passive income by making money online, working just minutes a day. It's a simple affiliate marketing business that almost anyone can do, as no previous experience or skills are needed. If you are looking for a simple, proven way to create long-term recurring or passive income right from home or anywhere else you want to be, stick with me. This video is for you. You can actually start building passive income within the hour. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. Passive income has always been my number one priority. And before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online and building passive income. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So first, let me explain what passive income is and why it should be your number one pursuit. Passive income, also referred to as recurring income or maybe residual income, is money that keeps coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day without any additional effort. Imagine what it will be like to still be getting paid months from now for what you do today. Passive income is how you leverage your time. It's how you escape the rat race. See, there's no more trading your time for money like in a traditional job. It gives you both time freedom and money freedom too. Thanks to passive income, I retired at the age of 50. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at a job. Mark my words, you want passive income, you need passive income. So here's how I build passive income and how you can too. And just so you know, this has been my number one recommended income stream for over 4 years now. It's all done online and only takes a few hours per week at your convenience. You do not need to be home to do this. You can do it while you're at the beach, watching television, or playing with the kids. I even do it while I'm out sailing. This business is so simple. Many new people make money their very first day and at the same time build that long-term passive income that I've been talking about. We market 3 high-demand digital products and get paid 80% commissions. You can make $128 passive income per month, month after month, for everyone you refer. That can add up fast. And you'll get paid fast too. You'll love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. With our automated online marketing system, you can really leverage your time. I will show you how you can build a full-time income, putting in as little as 30 minutes a day. When you team up with us, you'll get access to everything you need to build passive income. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails, all of the techie stuff is done for you. The company will provide you with the best training and support also. We have daily live Zoom calls led by successful income earners, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos and our own social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You will never wonder what to do next. It is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Think about what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. So to learn more and to start building passive income today, go to my website at attainmygoals.com/passive.